last week in the USA covers the impact of new technology on healthcare for the first time, again predicting a huge transformative impact. For the next session of Vision Internet of Things by Dr. Arshad Iqbal, please join me in welcoming Dr. Arshad Iqbal to the stage.
Park Center for Artificial Intelligence since January 2021. So my question is, you can see cameras around, right? And so you can consider cameras as eyes of digital world, right? So it sees around or sees environment, see people, see.
Nighttime is when houses are vulnerable. Daytime is not safe either for residential or commercial properties. Therefore, everyone gets their CCTV cameras installed. But is it possible to monitor 24/7? What when you are sleeping and an intruder tries to rob you?
Training our model, but actually providing this solution to a customer. The customer doesn't know about machine learning model. It only needs he or she need only the solution, dedicated solution. Jetson devices. So for this kind of problem, in this project we use two different machine learning model. One is called temporal segmentation network, and another is temporal shift. So you can see some false positive and false negative result. There is no mobbing, but only false negative. So that was the problem. That false positives and false negatives will appear in the training result. As we are in the process to improve this result. Thank you for listening. If you have any question, please let me know.